Hello, welcome to Yoga Nidra. My name is Julie Brown. My business is yogijules.com. Thank you so much for being a part of my Karma Yoga work project. This is part of my 300-hour yoga teacher training homework. This is not intended to be a substitute for medical advice, nor should it be considered a substitute for talk therapy. The purpose of this is to help you relax and become more connected with your true nature. So let's begin. Just get comfortable. For Yoga Nidra, it's preferable you should do this maybe in your bed or lying under a blanket. So you can be on your yoga mat. Consider doing this in your bed. If you wear contact lenses, go ahead and pause the video. Take out your contact lenses. You don't want that to distract you with your eyes closed. Settle in, relax your shoulders and hips. Looking at yourself through the lens of the observer, imagine yourself lying there. And welcome yourself to your practice. And tell yourself, I am now practicing my Yoga Nidra. Please use the sound of my voice to stay conscious and commit to staying awake for the entire duration of this practice. Just notice sensations throughout your body and know that any cues that I give are merely suggestions. And if you feel activated, it is okay to just sit up and take a break. With your eyes open or closed, just scan the room with your mind. Thinking about your surroundings. And think about the spaces where your body is making contact with your bed or your mat. And feel grounded here. Notice the ocean waves. Never ending, going on forever. Just like your breath, just going on and on effortlessly. Feel any sensation in your face, in your facial muscles. Notice what are you feeling in your scalp, your ears, cheeks, your eyes, your nose, your lips. Unclench your jaw and relax your tongue. Relax your neck and your shoulders. Your shoulders. Relax your shoulders. Bring your shoulders up to your ears. Relax your shoulders down. Relax your shoulders down. Feel your right bicep. Feel your right tricep. Feel of your right forearm and notice your right palm. Notice your right palm. Notice your right palm. Gently touch your fingers one at a time to your thumb. Feel sensations within your hand. Make a fist. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Deep breath in. Exhale gently. Relax your left bicep, your left tricep, your left forearm. Notice and relax your left palm. Relax your left palm. Relax your left palm. Gently touch your fingertips one at a time to your thumb. Just notice the sensation and feelings there. Make a fist, let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Notice the entire backside of your body. Send your breath all throughout the backside of your body. Notice the entire front side of your body. Send your breath to the front side of your body. Notice your right hip. Notice your left hip. Notice the front and back side of your body, both hips together. Breathe in. Breathe out, just like the ocean waves. Effortlessly going on. Notice your right thigh, your right knee. Notice your right calf. Notice your right foot. Relax, relax, relax your foot. Wiggle your toes. Ankle circles each way. Lift your right leg 1 inch, release, let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Notice your left thigh. Let it relax. Notice your left knee. Notice it. Let it relax. Notice your left calf. And let it relax. Notice your left foot. Let it relax. Let it relax. Let it relax. Wiggle your toes. Ankle circles each way. Lift your leg 1 inch. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Notice both legs together. Notice both arms together. Notice all of your limbs together. Notice your entire body as a whole. You are already whole. Come back to your breath. Notice the sensations, the feelings, the emotions. Feel the breath going in and out, filling up your lungs, the rise and fall of your chest, that gentle movement of your belly. It is perfect, just like these ocean waves you're hearing. It's beautiful. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Approach a new you, surrendering and understanding that any of your past failures were actually accelerating you to the new enlightened state of your true being, which is here now, making time for you with love and gratitude. Notice any thoughts and beliefs. Select a mantra and take refuge in it. This should be something that's very important to you. So one word or short phrase that is most powerful. Enjoy this moment, being with yourself. Tell yourself, I take this time for myself, I claim it. Take a slow, deep breath in. Every time that you exhale, try to relax a little bit more, but don't try to relax too much. Stick with your mantra and focus on your breath. Tell yourself, I am existing right here, right now. I am in this moment. And it is beautiful. Notice your breath. Come back to your mantra. What are your thoughts and beliefs surrounding that moment when you developed your mantra? Embracing your peaceful nature. We come away from the 3 types of impulse, which are hatred, desire, and stupidity. We're no longer impulsive beings. We let go of our aggression. We become intelligent beings with a peaceful nature. Notice whatever feelings are coming up. Scan your body and scan your thoughts. Imagine what you look like as you're lying there. Imagine what serenity would look like if serenity were an actual photograph. Take your image of serenity and peacefulness, make it very colorful and bring it very close to you. And whenever a thought comes that you don't want to dwell on, just take this photo of serenity and cover up the other thought as if it were an old photograph with your new photograph of serenity and happiness and peacefulness, representing growth. There is a theory that the old thoughts that we don't have serving us should be composted and cultivated into new ideas, cultivating new growths, and I love that thought. So just imagine the old thoughts that don't serve you, the ones you want to get rid of, the repeating mind. In order to dispose of it, you're just composting it, recycling it, letting it go. Compost it into your garden of seeds. And in this garden, you're sowing seeds of happiness, the truthful, peaceful nature of your Dharma. Your Dharma is your life work. You embrace you are a changeless being. Think about a time, maybe when you're a child, one of your favorite photographs of you smiling. We're going to add this to your collection of tools. Your breath is a tool. And these photographs, they're tools. Let these positive images wash in repeatedly, just like these ocean waves. And if that's too much, just imagine your breath is always there for you, like these effortless ocean waves. It's the perfect rhythm, just like your breath. And it is beautiful. Gently turn your head to the right. Just stay here. Your eyes can be open or closed. Now, leaving your head turned to the right, maybe take some tiny extra movements before you finally return to the neutral. And thus we gently turn to the left with the chin. Take the chin over the shoulder, turn your head to the left. And from here, maybe take some tiny, gentle movement, moving with your own intuition. And then coming back finally to the neutral. Be proud of yourself because you are a beautiful soul. Be proud of yourself by taking a moment to deal with your emotions and thoughts this way. Making space for you. Take a slow, deep breath in and fill up your lungs with air, a healing breath. Exhale all the way out. Notice there's a tremendous amount of energy. It's swirling all throughout your body, from the crown of your head to your seat, your sit bones. Notice what thoughts, ideas, even colors, sensations, ideas are coming up. Notice the clarity of your physical being when you focus on your breath. and just embracing your own existence in this beautiful, beautiful time with yourself. Tell yourself, I am without worry. I am already whole. You are ready for the wind to blow in your direction, or against you, or for you. You're ready for the wind of change. You are extremely strong. You have a great character. You have more than you ever needed. You have excellent clarity about your body and your physical needs. You are eating healthy foods, and your body is digesting these foods perfectly. You have strong and good intentions. You are beautiful and divine. Imagine yourself as if in a state of pure and total bliss. Move into a place where there is no confusion. There is only certainty. Your confidence in your beautiful nature of your fantastic true self. You are a changeless being. Your energy is unique and you are needed. Notice what's coming up. Accept it for whatever it is. You can visualize meadows, you can visualize mountains or space or water. Imagine millions of life forms interconnected and networked all over the planet. Millions of plants, insects, animals, thunderstorms, hailstorms. Think about all of this energy, which is nature. Think about your breath. Constant and calming as the sea. Notice if you feel a little more openness in your heart. Notice your underlying qualities. Notice your wisdom as it's welling up. We take this time for ourselves so that we may be more productive. Imagine yourself in a state of pure bliss. Feel all that dynamic energy swirling throughout your body. Notice your self-consciousness as if it were a work of art all on its own, and you're seeing it for the first time. Aware of how beautiful this time is and how precious it is that you take time with yourself and for yourself. For only by taking care of ourselves are we able to take care of others. Imagine yourself in a state of pure eternal bliss. Flutter your eyes open only when you're ready. Maybe you need a few more minutes. If your schedule allows, stay in this Yoga Nidra for as long as you like. Thank you so much. I hope that this session is good for you and it helped you, particularly to relax and overcome any emotional problems or anxieties, or maybe just to unwind after a long day, or a great way to start your day. Thank you for my Patreon subscribers. By the way, my Patreon subscribers get early access to these videos, plus lots of exclusive content coming soon. Thank you so much. Once again, namaste.